What do you think?
What the hell is going on? Oh, no, he is not. Looking at those. Man. Ooh.
So what do you think, Marcus?
No, man. This is just...
What's the first thing that comes to mind?
You don't want to be doing this at home, folks. You do not want to try this at home. You don't want to try it out, period.